Do you want to become a profitable trader? Hi, I'm CA Rudramurthy, author, trader, and trainer. Welcome you to Easy Money Show. Today is a very crucial day, and only two important events will be discussed, and that will be the key for market. Number one, yes, it is the Reliance AGM, the annual general meeting of Reliance. What is expected, what can come out, and the 44th annual general meeting of Reliance has lot of expectation from market. And the second most important news for the day is you have the weekly, the monthly, the quarterly expiry of F&O market happening today, and the entire market will be watching for Reliance Industry 44th AGM, and also what will happen on the weekly, monthly and quarterly expiry day today in derivatives market. Now let us discuss these two events in detail. Would appreciate everyone to have a clear making note policy today. Have a book and pen and make note of everything what I say, and I might stand completely wrong on my views, but then I want to give my clear views, and later I don't want to say market just went up or come down because of knee jerk reaction. No knee jerk reaction. I will give you my view, and also I don't want to tell later bull market will have fast and furious correction. The question is when and what has to be done, and I'll give you my clear cut views today, and I want each one of you to understand and then make note. First of all, let us go to Reliance AGM, and then I'll give you my views on the expiry day trades both for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and also I'll give you my positional view on market, understand the clear time frames and the view of Rudramurthy for today's market. Now first of all, let us go to Reliance 44th AGM. What is expected? Number one, they are looking for some announcement of 5G smartphone, and whatever they might come with a pricing of even below 5,000 for that smartphone with the Google tie-up what they had for bringing out this. And also more important is there is rumor that chairman of Aramco can be part of the Reliance board, and this announcement can come today. For last 2 years talks have been happening on this particular deal, but can we get any precise decisions on the induction of Aramco chairman to the board of Reliance? This is a very positive news if it comes, and market is looking out for it. And keeping aside this, even on the Reliance Geo platform, any new announcements, and people are expecting the work from home which has just got started due to corona. Will Reliance Jio come out with any laptop and the 5G connections and all are what market is looking for from telecom as a segment. Even in Reliance retail, they have now got over 925 outlets in recent time. And will there be any announcement of Reliance going even out of India for their retail business, and what will be the updates from Reliance retail business? All this are very closely watched from the market front. And let me tell you in detail, we will now do a Reliance industry chart check and what one has to do, and I'll also tell you my personal positions on Reliance and what I've taken, and be very clear on the view of Reliance when it comes to technicals. Let us now look at Reliance industry chart. Now I want you to follow this very carefully. Reliance industry was trading at around 2000 rupee here when it was the date. Even if I have to pick it up, it is on 27th of May. So if you see, Reliance was consolidating for a long time, and this candle gave a big breakout which is on 28th of May. Go back to my Twitter handle and then watch it. This was the date on 28th of May 2021. On my Twitter handle, I am Rudramurthy. During live market hour, I gave a buy call on Reliance once it crossed a 2000 zone, and it was a 2030, that is 2030 rupee. A buy call on Reliance was given, and from there, if you check Reliance Industry, this big up move, whatever you have seen, it has gone till levels of, I'm taking yesterday's high, and if you see yesterday's high on Reliance Industry spot, it is 2250, and futures, if you see, it is 2260. That means Reliance Industry met already the 2250 to 2260 targets which I was talking before, and for me a confirmation of this up move will happen only once we break 2275, which is the high which it has made here, and a move towards 2350 is possible. But let me tell you before that what has happened in Reliance Industries AGM. Whenever you have seen the price movement, I am giving you this as on the Reliance AGM day, what has happened? Let us take the example of last year 2020. Reliance AGM happened on 15th of July, and the stock was down 3.8% with huge volumes. If you go even 1 year before, that is in the year 2019, stock was up 9.7%. If you go even 1 year back, that is 2018, stock was up 2.6%. Go to 2017, stock was up, down, up, down, up, down. If you see all that, going by this trend, one thing is very clear: on AGM day, there is a minimum movement of 2.6% on the downside, and on the upside, there is a movement of 9.7%. So that means approximately, I'm telling, around 3 to 5% movement in Reliance Industry share price up or down is expected on AGM. And also let me tell you, if you see what has happened for Reliance Industry movement 1 week before AGM, most of the times it has been up around 1 to 2%. But if you see after AGM, hold the Reliance share for at least 1 week, Reliance Industry has given a return of anywhere between 2 to 5%. So that means based on past data, everything looks positive on the Reliance AGM day. Yes, today should be a positive up move. If you go for 1 week before AGM, yes, the already positive news is there. 1 week post the AGM, yes, the positive news is there. This is pure quant data which I am giving in front of you for you to look at numbers. But let me give now Rudra's view on Reliance, what will happen. Again, I'll tell you I might be fully wrong, but I want to give my opinion, and let me make a disclaimer. You have to take decisions based on the input what I provide and take responsibility. I've never seen a single trader in this world who has become successful without taking responsibility. In fact, people latch in when you go wrong. Out of 10 times, you might be right 9 times. People don't respect that, but they want to catch you one time when you are wrong. But let me tell you, you are not God, nor I am a liar to be right 10 out of 10 times, which many people are only in social media. In fact, how many of you remember when Bitcoin was at 41,000? I was shouting till the end of my voice, saying that this is the last opportunity for you to get out of Bitcoin. And today, see, where is the Bitcoin? Your Bitcoin is at 30 to 31,000. And let me tell you, a 40% decline from that level of 41,000. And I told it will come to levels of 31,000 to 30,000, and 10,000 movement of Bitcoin on dollar terms down is what the power of technical analysis and chart reading is all about. And this is true chart reading using market profile. Now let me tell you, go back to the chart and look at my view on Reliance. Keep aside all the quant data, the positivity and all. I feel personally when it comes to Reliance Industry, the big move has already happened. It started from 28th of May when the price was around 2000 rupee. This is where in Twitter at 2030 I gave a buy call, and from 2030 Reliance has gone till higher levels of 2260, 250. That means 250 point up move is seen in Reliance, which is 11% up move in just last 1 month. Not even 1 month. In 1 month, Reliance has gone up already 11%. Now, the all positive news in AGM, what we are now expecting today, is already discounted in the price. Look at the volumes here. All those guys who bought it, whether you saw my tweet and bought or you bought it much before, the question is, all these buyers who are already there in, they are making profit of 250 rupees. They are making 11% absolute return just in 1 month. In F&O, they are making returns of, if I even take 3-4 times leverage, 30-40% plus returns they are already making. From here further, for the stock to go up in very short term will be very difficult. In fact, I will be a buyer in Reliance only if it crosses decisively. Let me tell the number in spot market. It is 2275. Please make note. Spot market or cash market, Reliance has to go above 2275 to 2280. I'm keeping a 5-point range because of volatility, and let me make the number clear. 2280 above on Reliance spot market only the momentum will catch on the upside, or else the move is already discounted. Now look at technicals, and if you see the 20-day moving average on Reliance, it is at 2190. Now please make note, any move below 2190, there will be huge profit booking in Reliance. I'm talking spot market level, and this is very crucial. 2190 is a crucial support below which Reliance Industry will see some amount of profit booking. Now let me give my clear views of these levels. 2280 above on spot market, I will see buying in Reliance. Below 2190, there will be profit booking. Now people who are traders have to see market and see what market is telling. Right now I have no position whatsoever on Reliance. In fact, yesterday at higher levels I have exited Reliance, and I wrote a tweet clearly saying lighten your long position. Even for my group of people who are my HNI clients, I updated them clearly. Don't expect me to put everything in Twitter. And why will then someone take my service by paying money? Everyone will watch it free in Twitter. But still, I have a big heart to at least give you some value, if not the same value what I give for my HNI clients or my mentorship course participants. Still I gave a heads-on view clearly that I am changing my view. And let me tell you, Reliance Industry for me today has already done last 1 month big move, and it tested yesterday the important levels of 2250 to 2260. Now I know some of you will already have Reliance position. You'll ask me what to do. I will look for an exit, and sir, I'm making a small loss. That's fine. I want clarity, and I don't want to be in a trauma or in a confused state when I'm in a trade. I don't trade based on hope. Very important statement. Make note. I don't take a trade and start doing prayers. People ask me how to decide when to exit a trade, where to keep stop loss. Answer is simple. If you are hoping in your trade, if you are doing prayers to God for your fall in share price to be taken care, that is the time to exit. I believe in God more than you guys, but I believe in market and in my trading strength and charts more than God. Let me tell you, you have to follow the levels, and if you are confused, the best trade is to get out of the trade, rethink and enter it later. You might be making a small loss, but let me give you a biggest learning today. If you are not ready to take a small loss, you will take later mother of all losses. How many of you have burnt all your money just in one single trade, and you have gone out of market many a times? You have to avoid that. And let me tell you, to win the game, you have to be in the game. Let me repeat, to win the game, you have to be in the game. And I'm giving you my clear views on Reliance, and I might stand fully wrong. For my quantity, for my position size, what I take, for me it is not worth now to chase Reliance Industry after a 11% up move. But if you are seeing it going above 2280, then I might look at entering Reliance as a long term investor. Stay with Reliance, no problem. But as a trader, you have to get through these numbers and the views, whatever I have given. Now, straight, let us come to the second most important event, that is expiry day. You have quarterly, monthly, and daily expiry. Now, let us go for Nifty and Bank Nifty levels, which I want each one of you to follow. Forget the call writing and the put writing which has happened. I feel personally any move today below 15,690 to 700, Nifty future will see weakness. For me, the strong support on Nifty future is at 15,690. And if you break that and start moving down, market definitely looks weaker for me. And let me tell you, yesterday's low, if you see on Nifty future, it is at 15,675. If you start trading below 15,690 and break yesterday's lows of 15,675, then a move towards 15,600 will come today. For any up move in market, for all positional traders, market has to close above 15,830. Watch this video again, play it back, make note of the numbers, whatever I'm talking. Understand, is it for intraday I'm telling or positional trading, or is it for investment I'm talking? And any calls I give, follow the target stop losses. Don't ask later on what to do with this stock. I'm not giving an intraday view for you for something and you ask an intraday view for that stock. And when I'm giving an intraday view on a Nifty or Bank Nifty, you ask me a positional call. So understand market, take responsibility. If you cannot take responsibility, don't trade. Put your money in a bank FD and sleep well. I don't want people to make money without understanding market. How can you make money? You still keep losing money in market because you have no knowledge, and people who have knowledge will take your money. Your losses are becoming their profits. If you truly want to make money, if you truly want to move from a losing trader to a profitable trader, invest on yourself, learn market. Don't miss this weekend ZTM program happening live on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Only program in the whole world which has 100% course fee back offer without any conditions apply. If you don't find value in the program, because that is the commitment and value delivery what I have in my programs, and no conditions apply. You can simply say, Rudra, we didn't like the shirt color what you are wearing, so we want fee refund. 100% valid, you will get your fee refund without any questions asked, because not even one person till date has taken that course fee back offer. He or she knows the value what we deliver in ZTM program. More details about the program are there down in the link www.ztmindia.com. Register going to the site right now and enjoy the program starting tomorrow, day after, and on Sunday. Don't miss it at any cost. 100% course fee back offer, because I know the value of the program. Now getting back to Nifty, as I told you, 15,690 below selling will be there, and ensure if you break the low of 15,675 yesterday on Nifty future, market will come down and 15,600 will be tested for the day. And on the higher side, 15,830 has to be crossed positionally for any buying to come, and I don't see that happening because market is nowhere closer to it. And yesterday's high, if you see, again it has tried testing those levels of 15,870, and 15,900 is acting as a crucial resistance. Lot of call writing has happened today in 15,700, 15,750 and 15,800 strike price. So till we cross 15,800 to 830, this market will remain a sell on rise market. Yes, I was bullish 3-4 days back, and you saw market from 15,450 went up and tested those levels of 15,900. Market is so volatile, you have to be flexible, and if you cannot be, don't do trading, don't lose money, donate the same money for charity. At least you get punya. By losing money in market because of your ignorance, you don't get any punya. That's the reason I say, learn or else get burnt. Choice is yours whether you want to get burnt or you want to learn. And let me tell you, Nifty futures today, every rise to 15,800 to 830 will be sold, and 15,690 is a crucial level below which there is selling. Below 15,675 there will be more and more selling. Levels of 15,600 for the expiry is on card. Very fastly, let us go to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty for me is already weak, and yesterday's level, if I have to see, 34,750 below. Bank Nifty future is weak. Make note of the number 34,750. So I will be a seller on any price below 34,750. And if you break yesterday's crucial supports which are there at around 34,500, and yesterday's low on Bank Nifty future is 34,550. So 34550 is yesterday's low. If you break 34,500, Bank Nifty will see further more sell off, and I won't be surprised to see Bank Nifty coming closer to 34,150 to 34,000 zones. So crucial level on Bank Nifty, what you see today will be 34,500, and up to 34,750 there is a selling zone in Bank Nifty future. All these are Bank Nifty future level, and no buying whatsoever in this market till you cross at least 35,000, which is yesterday's high. So Bank Nifty future remains a sell till it crosses 35,000, and today range of 34,750 to 34,700 will be a great selling zone. And look at whether yesterday's low of 34,500 to 34,550 will be held. If not, once you break 34,500, 34,150 to 34,000 will open up. I'm sure you have to watch this video again, pause, rewind, and make note and get clarity of both Reliance as well as expiry day trading. If you really find this video useful, and if I've taken this time to explain to you everything, I want you to write a feedback in detail about your Easy Money show and your Rudralogy channel. This is happening in a single shot. All my videos come in a single shot without editing, because if the tank is full, water will come from the tap. If the tank is empty, air will come, jokes will come, nonsense will come from the tap. Thanking you so much for watching this video in detail. Rewind, playback, see it again. Don't miss the ZTM program. And before you get burnt, and before you stop that losses what you make in market, and if you really want to become a profitable trader, you will be there in the ZTM program starting from tomorrow, Friday, Saturday, Sunday live program with 100% course fee back offer without any conditions to apply. This is a course not to miss, and you have to invest on yourself to move from a losing trader to a profitable trader. Thank you so much for watching, and hit the bell icon right now. Subscribe to your channel Rudralogy. Do forward this video to as many people as possible. Join hands with me to spread the right financial literacy. Have a profitable trading day. Thank you so much.